In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set layout to a 3 paper size in AutoCAD. If you've ever struggled to get a clean A3 PDF or print from your drawing, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to configure your layout so it comes out at the correct size, scale, and style without guessing. First, open AutoCAD and make sure you are looking at a Layout tab at the bottom of the screen. By default, you'll see Layout 1 or Layout 2 next to the Model tab. Layouts are paper space. Think of them as your sheet, where title blocks, notes, and viewports live. So this is the right place to control page size. Right-click on the Layout tab you want to use and choose Page Setup Manager. This is the control center for how your layout will plot or export. In the Page Setup Manager, select the layout you want to change and click Modify. That opens the Page Setup dialog where we'll make the key adjustments. Under Printer or Plotter, choose a PDF plotter such as DWG to PDF.PC3. Using a PDF plotter is ideal for sharing and archiving because it preserves line weights and scales consistently. If you need to print to a physical device later, you can come back and switch to your printer's driver. But starting with a PDF plotter keeps things predictable. Next, set the paper size to ISO Full Bleed A3, which is 420 by 297 mm. The full bleed option minimizes margins, giving you the most usable page area so your title block and graphics don't get clipped by default margins. A3 is landscape by nature when width is 420 and height is 297, so it pairs well with wide drawings. In the plot settings, set what to plot to layout. This tells AutoCAD to use the paper space sheet exactly as you see it, including your title block and viewports. Then set the plot scale to 1. In layouts, the sheet itself should always be at full scale. Any scaling belongs inside the viewports, not in the plot setup. This keeps your annotations and title block true to size. Choose your plot style. If you want a clean black and white output, select monochrome.ctb. Plot styles control how colors translate to line weights and shades on paper or PDF. So pick the one that matches your office standards or the look you are after. When everything looks correct, click OK, then close to apply the changes. Your layout is now configured for A3 with the right device, size, scale, and style. Ready to produce a crisp, professional sheet. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.